We're doing a door panel today. This works on every Ford, I think F-150 through maybe 550, definitely 350. This is a 350. Between the years of 1999 and 2007. You might have a little bit of nuance difference depending on what kind of setup you got, if you got the manual crankulator windows or whatever. But besides that, this is going to be the same. Now, my light here has already fallen off and it's completely gone. I think that's a 7mm bolt. So you need to pop that off with a screwdriver, or if yours is missing, it probably is, then you already have access. And then we have another bolt under here, and I think this just kind of, I mean, come on guys, it's a Ford, basically an adult Lego. Pops out, and we got all these color-coded switch connectors. Come on now, not too bad. Okay, so that guy's out. Then we got another one right here, and I think after we take those two out, again, one there and one there, then this whole thing just kind of pops up and out. Yep, 7mm. Put that somewhere I'm not going to lose it. Okay, and then, ooh, I forgot. I think I got to take this off. Oh boy. Well, I think that's supposed to have a clip for the speaker, but we'll just set ours up there, and then now this just pops off. Except I'm stuck. No, I'm not. Okay. Now, whatever you got to do in here, whether it's replace a little tiny speaker or do some work with whatever all this going on in here, maybe you got to replace the door handle, you know, it doesn't matter. Whatever you got to do it, and then popping it back on is just as easy. Now, when you get the door panel back in, you've got these little hooks that go into these little recesses. That's how you line everything up. I'm going to go over our lock here, make sure we pull all of our wiring through. And then, I think, maybe, okay, I think we're good. And after that, we will get our little don't fall. Get our little 7mm back in. Easy. Alrighty. There we go. Dropped it. Perfect. Okay. And pop the switch back in. That works. That guy drops down. This guy pops in. Boom. Just like that. And don't forget our little vanity piece right here. Done. All right, I forgot the plug. Gotta put the plug. Done. Deep breath.